Sorry, comma, I can't answer, ... I'm filming, period. And filming is priority. I got you guys. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I really appreciate it. If you guys are new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Today's video is going to be yet another Express try-on haul. I'm really excited to show you guys the adorable pieces that I picked up yesterday. I decided once again to travel like 30 minutes to a larger Express store. That way I could just see in person everything that they had to offer. And let me tell you guys, I was impressed. I think that everything I picked out would be perfect for the holiday season or just for going out in general. Express goes up to a size extra large or like a size 18. So I was definitely able to go browse and pick out a bunch of adorable things. This time I did get a mixture of clothing, accessories, shoes, and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up, then just keep watching. So the very first item that I picked out from Express was this orange cami here. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love this color for fall time. And I love the added little touch that it's like this like leopard print detailing. So beautiful. This is a double lined tank top. So there's no chance of being able to see through it. I think it's super cute, super comfortable, definitely appropriate to wear under a blazer or a jacket for work. I just love it. I love everything about it. It is not a stretchy material, but it is pretty flowy. So like I said, it's pretty comfortable. And I did pick this up in a size extra large. Next up, I picked up this adorable velvet material black blazer. I think this piece is just beautiful. You could throw this on over any type of a tank and it would be a perfect like going out outfit with like some skinny jeans and some heels or wedges or something. I just think it's absolutely beautiful and so easy to pair with just about anything. Like I said, it is this like velvet material, which makes it look just a little bit more fancy schmancy, which I love. The best thing about this blazer is that it does have two usable pockets. So this is definitely a very versatile jacket. It also has some really pretty button detailing down here at the bottom on both sides. So I just think it's absolutely beautiful and I picked this up in a size extra large. The next item that I purchased was this beautiful golden sheen satin material tank. You guys, this was probably one of the first things that stood out to me because it's so different and the color is just so unique. I absolutely love it. It's almost like a halter style tank. It's just so beautiful. I absolutely love this neckline. I just cannot get enough of this color. I did pick this up in a size extra large as well. The next thing that I picked out is this leopard button up here. I think it's super pretty, very flowy. I decided to tie mine up here in the waist, but this is what it looks like if it is not tied. I just personally feel like I would keep the last button unbuttoned and give it a little tie here just to kind of cinch in at the waist a little bit. I just think it's so pretty. I did get this in an XL. The material is not stretchy, but it is super flowy. And I just think it's beautiful, you guys. It's so pretty. I have come to the conclusion that I have a sick obsession with leopard print. Really just animal print in general, but especially leopard print. I just think it's beautiful. Next up is this super furry pink coat. And you guys, when I say this is the softest fur I've ever felt, I mean it. Like, it is so soft. Like, I just honestly, I feel like I would sleep in this. Like, it's so soft, so comfortable. It is, for being a fur coat, a little bit more lightweight, which is what I like. I don't live in an area where it gets like freezing, so this is absolutely perfect for me. I absolutely love the oversized collars. They do have two pockets, nice big deep pockets also, which is something that is a huge plus for me, huge plus. This jacket has these little like metal clasp closures, so that way if you did want to kind of bundle up, you could. It's just, this coat is everything to me. And I, once again, got this in a size extra large. The next item I picked out is this super pretty satin, like emerald, like a deep emerald green, almost like verging on a forest green skirt. This is a midi skirt. It is so pretty. It definitely goes down like right under my knee, mid shin. I think this is super cute. I would definitely wear it high-waisted like this. It does have an elastic waist, which is great. This is actually the same skirt that I picked out last month, but last month I got it in a leopard print. So if you guys want to see that, I will leave that video linked down below. But I absolutely think this is so beautiful. I kind of even like it with this top, honestly. Like, I love leopard print and green together. Or I might wear a bodysuit with a coat over it. I just think this is so pretty, you guys. And I did get this skirt in a size extra large. Next up is probably my favorite thing out of my entire haul. I picked up these jeans. They are the paper bag waisted jeans that are to die for, you guys. I loved that on the tag it said extra high waisted, which is exactly what I like. They are just so cute. I will show you guys a close-up of what they look like. They are just these paper bag waisted, elastic waisted pants, and it does have a built-in belt. You of course could take this belt off and substitute a different belt. I just think, they're so cute, and probably the most comfortable pair of jeans ever. Like, they're super stretchy, and I'm obsessed with them. They did have these pants in black as well, so I'm definitely going back to get the black ones because new favorite jeans. I did pick these up in a size 18. Then I picked up these adorable loafers. They are leopard print loafers that are just like slide-on shoes. I think these would be great for work or going out. I just think that they are so cute. Then I picked up this black stretchy jumpsuit. I have really been into jumpsuits lately. I just think that it is so amazing to just be able to throw a one-piece outfit on and go. So this is what I picked out. It, like I said, is a stretchy material. It does have 2 pockets, and it does have this like little tie bit here at the waist. So you can tie it as loose or as tight as you want. There is a zipper going up the back, which I am home alone right now, so I couldn't zip it all the way up. But this overall is just super comfortable. And I actually really like where it hits me on my legs. It is not all the way down to my ankle. It's almost like a high water type of length. Not necessarily capris, but definitely right above my ankle. I just think it's so perfect. And I did, just for the purpose of this video, kind of pair it with these leopard loafers. Super comfortable. I cannot stress that enough. But I feel like you can literally just throw on this jumpsuit and a statement shoe and be on your merry way. I just think it's super cute. And I did pick this up in an extra large. So before I end this video, I did want to show you guys a couple accessories that I picked out. The first being this super cute leopard belt. It does have gold hardware, which I think works perfectly with leopard print. And it almost has like real fur on it. It actually, not like real fur, but you know what I mean. So it is a furry leopard belt. Would be super pretty as like an accent belt with pretty much anything you wear. And I got this in an extra large. If at all during this video you guys were wondering where I got my little hair clip, that would be Express. I did pick up these like rectangle ones as well, and I love how they put their accessories in these little pouches. I think that's so cute. What a nice touch. These are some of the little clippies that I got. I know these are super huge right now, and I actually am obsessed with wearing little clips in my hair. I'm sure if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys see a little clip in my hair just about every day, or any day that I wear my hair down. I just love it, and I think it adds like a little something and makes your whole look just look 10 times better. So I did pick these up from Express. Then I picked out 2 jewelry pieces. The first being these beautiful dangly earrings. I'm really trying to branch out of my usual, which is just wearing studs, but I also don't want to jump the gun and wear these giant over the top like statement pieces. So I thought this was really dainty and subtle, but still different from what I usually wear, so that is why I picked these out. And then the last piece of jewelry that I picked out is actually the necklace I'm wearing right now. I think it's a super pretty dainty necklace. It's a 2-layer necklace. The first one has just some little beads, and then the second one has this little like gold charm thingy. I don't even know what you would call that, but I just think it's super pretty, super dainty and delicate looking, which is what I look for in jewelry more often than not. So I really liked that and had to have it. So that was pretty much it for this Express try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please check the description box for all of the things. I will have everything that I talked about today linked below. If you guys have any other comments or questions, please leave me a comment down below. I love chatting with you guys in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.